Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can make a survey in Snapchat app very easily. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes under the video and make sure to write comments after watching. And friends, let us get down to this interesting topic with you. And to begin with, open the Snapchat app on your device. And then, you can either take some photo or upload, for example, a photo with your gallery. I'm just going to take a photo. So that's it. Next, you need to move on to creating the survey itself. To do that, friends, you will need to choose this sign on the right side from this edit menu that you have. Click on it, and here you'll see the poll option. Click on that. Next, in the next step, you'll need to ask some sort of question to your friends and subscribers on Snapchat. It can be absolutely any question that you are interested in, it doesn't matter at all. After you ask the question, go to the answer options already. As you can see, in Snapchat, there are only 2 answer options in a question, and they are emoji, which is a very interesting option. So, in order to choose an emoji, click on the first one. Then you can scroll through and choose the emoji that you want or that you prefer. And do the same with the second emoji. Also click on it and choose the one you like. Just like that. And now when your survey is completely ready, at the bottom, click Done. And now you can make your survey bigger, smaller with a swipe like this. You can move it to any part of the screen. And then, if you want to put it up as a story, just click History at the bottom and your poll will be added. That's the quick, simple method you can literally make a poll in the Snapchat app in just a few seconds. Hope you found this video useful and helpful, friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, write your comments, and also put likes under this video. Goodbye.